Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix not posted yet try again Instagram Reels. If you're using Instagram and you're trying to post any reel on Instagram but you're facing the issue that your reel can't be posted, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing is that you just have to try to refresh your network. So it might be a network issue. It can be easily fixed by refreshing your network. So now to do that, you have to scroll down your control center and you have to make sure that you have a strongest and a stable network connection. It might be Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings, and then go back, open your settings app here, go for general here, and here you just have to look for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that, then go back from here, and you just have to open your App Store, or you can also open Play Store in your Android phone, and you have to simply search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your Instagram app. If you find any pending updates, try to update your app, and after updating, you just have to go back and you have to retry if your issue is fixed or not. Or if it's still not fixed, so it's might be your app issue. You just have to open your settings app here, go for general here, go for iPhone storage here, look for Instagram app. Once you find, you just have to have an offload app, or you can also try to delete app. In your Android phone, you can try to clear app cache files by going to app info section, and after that you'll be able to clear storage and then go for storage and data, and you'll be able to clear app cache files. And after clearing app cache files, you have to retry if your issue must be fixed or not. Or if it's still not fixed, open your settings here. You just have to search for reset network settings in your Android phone or in your iPhone. Simply tap on this settings, and here tap on reset. Here tap on reset settings. You just have to select reset network settings on your iPhone or any Android phone. Enter your password or passcode here, and once you have entered, you have to simply tap on this reset network settings option. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this. It will just reset your network settings, and after doing that your issue must be fixed. Or if your issue is still not fixed in some cases, so you have a simple way. You just have to keep a long press on your Instagram app, tap on remove app, then tap on delete app. It will completely uninstall Instagram app from your iPhone or any Android. After uninstalling, you have to reinstall it using your App Store or your Play Store, and after reinstalling, your issue must be fixed. So sometime it might be that there will be any bug or any malware into your app, so it will be fixed in this step, and after that, you will not get the issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.